What if your air conditioner could cool your room and still let you open the window for fresh air? U-shaped ACs make it possible. In this video, discover the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioners that combine silence, efficiency, and smart design. Welcome to my channel. Check them out below. The number 5 product on our list is Esright Window Air Conditioner. Inspired by how U-shaped ingenuity can change an entire room's vibe, the Esright Window Air Conditioner earns its spot in the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioner roundup with seamless design and peaceful performance, sporting a whisper-quiet operation that drew praise like very quiet. Even during late nights, this 12,000 BTU unit effortlessly cools spaces up to around 350 SQFT without obstructing your window view. Visual cues like a remote control and sleek LED panel reinforce its modern appeal, while animations of airflow across B-roll highlight its efficiency. Setup is simple and solo-friendly. The included kit means you can install it, plug it in, and immediately feel the calm. As fans on Amazon call it, easy to install and perfectly quiet. Compared to other U-shaped models, it brings genuine value. Cooler air, less noise, and peace of mind. Minor con? It's best suited for single-room comfort and may lack extra smart features. Overall, if you want tranquil, efficient cooling paired with elegant design, Esright is a rock-solid pick. Tip number 4 is Antarctic Window Air Conditioner. Astounded by how a U-shaped unit can reinvent your living space? The Antarctic Window Air Conditioner, earning its spot in the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioner list, blends seamless design with powerful whisper-quiet cooling, transforming rooms up to 450 SQFT into comfortable retreats. The sagging compressor sits outside, reducing indoor noise to around 45 dB, a noticeable upgrade over traditional window ACs. Homeowners rave about the full window view and easy installation, often calling it super easy to install and worth the money. Featuring multiple modes, cool, dry, fan, auto, sleep, and energy saver, along with 4-way airflow, it delivers tailored comfort with minimal fuss. Ideal for those battling blocked windows or noisy compressors, this unit quietly maintains ideal temps without compromising natural light. Downsides? It's hefty and needs precise mounting space, but for renters or anyone upgrading their comfort, Antarctic Star delivers elegance, efficiency, and tranquility in one thoughtfully designed package. A top-tier choice for those who want cooling that feels smart, sleek, and seriously soothing. The third one on our list is Profile Window Air Conditioner. Stunned at how seamlessly comfort and design can blend? The Antarctic-style U-shaped Profile Window Air Conditioner sets a new standard in the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioners lineup, offering whisper-quiet operation and powerful performance without sacrificing your window view. Its smart U-shape places the compressor outside the room, cutting down interior noise to around 40 dB, making it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or focused workspaces. What truly stands out is how it allows natural light and air through your window, even while running. Thanks to its inverter technology, it cools evenly without the constant cycling of older models, and its energy efficiency makes it a smart long-term choice. It handles rooms up to 350 SQFT easily, though setup might require a little patience and it's not the cheapest. But if you're after clean aesthetics, quiet, comfort, and dependable performance, this model feels like peace of mind built into your wall. On number 2 is R.W.FLAME Window Air Conditioner. Imagine reclaiming your quiet nights and sunlit windows. Because that's exactly what the R.W.FLAME Window Air Conditioner delivers in the evolving world of top 5 best U-shaped air conditioners. Built for users who crave both silence and strength, this unit operates at a soothing 42 dB, letting you rest, work, or relax without the hum of traditional ACs. Its unique, U-shaped design doesn't just improve airflow and seal against heat, it also allows you to open and close your window like normal, keeping that refreshing breeze within reach. Perfect for rooms around 350 SQFT, it blends powerful cooling with energy efficiency, thanks to its smart inverter tech that minimizes electric bills while maximizing comfort. The remote and app control are intuitive, but setup can take a bit of patience. Still, for those wanting a sleek, near-silent, high-efficiency cooling solution that enhances rather than interrupts your space, this unit feels like a wise and lasting upgrade. Now, moving to the last one is Midea Window Air Conditioner. Curious if a window AC can really cool without blocking your view or your peace? The Midea U-shaped window air conditioner, a standout in the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioners, proves it can. Its innovative U-design positions the bulky compressor outside, allowing full window access while dramatically reducing indoor noise. So quiet at just ~3248 dB that you'll barely notice it's on. Inverter technology keeps the air perfectly balanced, avoiding jarring on/off cycles and saving up to 35% on energy bills. Smart features like flash cool, apps/voice control via Matter, plus a quick snap bracket make it feel like comfort engineered for the future. Users love the gentle airflow and full window usability, though setup needs patience, and a recent recall note urges mold checks. If you want serene cooling that respects both style and substance, this Midea unit delivers. And tested for real-world comfort, it's an upgrade worth every bit. The winner among them is Midea Window Air Conditioner for its innovative U-shaped design, ultra-quiet operation, and energy efficiency. It allows window use while cooling powerfully, making it the smartest and most user-friendly choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best U-shaped air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.